Hello guys, my name is Daniel and today we will enjoy learning on tutorial number 9 how to construct a 3D part in CATIA version 5. All the information needed to construct the design are mentioned in the description of the video, so let's get started. We click File, New, select Part, click OK. We put the name of the part, Tutorial 09, we click OK. We hide the planes, click Insert, Body, right click, Properties, Feature Properties, we rename the body. We insert another body, right click, defining work object, click on Sketch, click on the plane that you want to work on. And now we're gonna generate our exterior design of the part. We click circle, we construct the first circle, the left side of the design. It has a radius of 17. We construct the right side of our design. It has the same, a radius of 17. Now we constrain this circle. The distance is 62. Now we're gonna construct the third circle that is somewhere around here, top. We're gonna constrain it by putting the radius of 12. And now constrain it by the main axis of our design. So this distance will be 40, and this distance between the middle of the point and the horizontal line will be 50. Okay. Now we're gonna construct the lines that are tangent to the circles in order to close our design. So we're gonna select line, we're gonna click this circle, this one, and this one here, and this one like this. Now we're gonna select the line. By holding Ctrl, we're gonna select the circle, and we're gonna click this option and make it tangent. And we're gonna do the same with all the lines. So select the line, the circle, tangency, line, circle, tangency, line, circle, tangency. This line, we right click it, we go to this option and we put it horizontal. We select it, we select the circle, we click this option, tangency. We click this line and the circle, we click this option, tangency. Perfect. Now, between these two lines, we need to make a corner. So we're gonna use this function, corner. Select this line, select the second line, click, and put the dimension radius 70. Perfect. Now we need to delete the rest of the elements that we don't need. So we will select quick trim, and we start deleting this area, this one, and this one. Okay, we will exit the workbench. So this is our first construction. We're gonna select pad. We're gonna click our design, and we're gonna give it a thickness. For example, 10 millimeters. It's not important. The thickness is not important. The most important thing is to understand how to do it. Perfect. We're gonna insert another body. Now we are constructing the holes inside our design. We're gonna copy the same sketch and we're gonna paste it in this body. Now we're gonna go in this sketch and modify it. We're gonna select this option so we are not able to click on the background. We're gonna select all the lines and the circles, the construction elements that we used on the previous design, and we're gonna make them pointed with this option. And now we're gonna construct the holes inside our design by clicking circle and constructing the holes. As you can see, because we are using the same sketcher, we already have the locations where the circles are, so it's faster for us to construct them. Now we need to constrain it. So we have two circles that have a diameter of 18. So it's this one, and this one has a different diameter, it's 12. We're gonna exit the workbench. We're gonna select pad, we're gonna select the sketcher, and we need to construct a bigger thickness than the previous design because we need to remove material from it. So we're gonna select this option. In this area we're gonna put 12 millimeters, so it's bypassing. In this area we can put 12 also. So this 3D is bigger than the previous one. We click OK. And now we need to add and remove the elements. So we're gonna define tutorial 09. First thing, we need to add our main design, body number 3. So we right click it, we go to this option, and we go to add, and we click OK. So we added body number 3 to tutorial 09. We define tutorial 09 again, and now we need to remove the holes. So we right click body 4, that is our design for the holes. We go to this option and we click remove, and we select OK. And we removed the holes inside our design. So this is our construction for today. I hope you guys understood how to construct it. We see each other next time. If you liked it, please subscribe, give a like. Bye bye. Hello guys, thank you for watching my content. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check my latest videos. See you soon, goodbye.